Good morning, happy Sunday to all of us, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, the different time in this world. Good day, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Lord, thank you very much, Lord, for giving more blessings, more good health, and more everything that we have while we are living in this world. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, Ginoo ko. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. So I prepare already for this school box, lunch box porcelain and egg. And some egg, that one also for me and to Madam. And porcelain. Okay, so I prepare already. So I make my green tea with tea. And this one is the nuggets that I do it. So it's hot pa. And now, here I prepared already everything. Our kitchen, my kitchen is like this one. Okay, so that's all. And this one she buy a new one for cornflakes. Okay, yesterday, Madam, they go to the supermarket and they are buying of this one for us, for our daily needs. Ayan. Biscuits. If you make hungry while I'm working, so I can take some biscuits, brown biscuits, that one, and the nuggets together with the porcelain. If she cannot eat all of me, also I eat. I finish. I make it finish, okay. And this one is for everybody. And now I bring one corazon porcelain and cornflakes because that's what she want to. And this one also, I think I do the cocoa biscuits. 5 pieces for porcelain. I think this one is porcelain. Yeah. Okay. So I prepare already everything. This one the chicken, that one is porcelain. Yesterday porcelain. Aray ko na throw na yung milk niya. His milk. Yeah. It's Oreo milk. Okay. So I can give that one her for the morning. Okay, so ayan no. We have banana Del Monte. I think the Del Monte for the Philippines, I try this one. I try this one. What's that? I make it maybe shake. Para hindi siya, para mas good or it depends. Okay. So now I fix na this one everything and for the lunch box of Celine. Okay, so once again, thank you again, thank you for giving me, and I have it's make me smile my my watch time in on my channel, in my YouTube channel. Look, where is it? But that one, can I check little bit. So you see, it's make me smile. You see. Sometimes I'm confused because it's more than what's that already. Last time I think it's Trina, and now it's the ending of my what's that now. That is I think yesterday. So now, but I'm very happy. At least I have already 2,000 hours. I wish that it's not, they make it my nose pull down and pull down, go down and go down, I don't know. Po. And that is, but I'm very happy. I'm very thankful. Thank you again. Thank you for all viewers of my YouTube channel. Thank you for my subscriber of my YouTube channel, and thank you for the supporters of my YouTube channel. Thank you all of us that some viewers that are still watching. Thank you for watching to my all videos that we have. Thank you, and I wish also that some watching of my videos, the viewers, don't forget also. I'm just the kindness, your kindness and your open-minded and open heart to help my YouTube channel, to subscribe, likes and comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much talaga that you are always supported in this channel. Thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you very much talaga. Shout out to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, including na yan sa family side, na mother and father, my hometown, all Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and to those person, to those some bloggers, and to all some subscriber that you are still helping to me to my YouTube channel from the beginning until now, and you know who you are, wherever you are, whatever you do. God bless us all and keep safe whatever you do, and good luck and more blessings to our individual channels that we have in the social media. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much talaga. And to all YouTube company, YouTube mga workers, staff, and the founder, thank you also that you are giving good. I wish that everything. I wish that some circumstances that you have, especially in our health, that we will be still okay. And as all of us, nationwide and worldwide, and to all people that we are still living in this world, for everything, it's under of our God. He provide everything for us talaga, especially to individual families, individual of us, while we are still living in this earth. Okay, thank you very much, thank you very much talaga, and more blessings, more good health, even some people that have an unconditional of their living in the different countries, or all in the different countries. God just pray and God provide everything. It's very hard also if all different countries is same situation, same blessings, same same blessings, same what's that, mga, what I mean ba, mga rich, it's very it's complicated na siguro kung all of us is rich, because who is working, who will become work in the government, who will become the work as a housemaid like me, o diba? So God provide everything, kaya we just wish everything that what we have. Okay, thank you very much talaga. Another day now is happy Sunday, so keep safe lagi. Okay, with all of them, with all of us. Thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you very much talaga. And to my madam, to my sir, to my Celine, I wish everything will be good health. The family of madam, the family of sir, my sir and my madam, that they are provided also, even they are paying to me here, but at least I'm working man then. Of course, all the housemaid, you must to take care to all employer that you have a housemaid. You must to take care and treat good to your housemaid, because even you are paying to us, but we are working best in your house. Okay, we are not working as free. Okay, we just pray only in our food, and some also that we are like me providing everything what I need. That is including of my free hair, except of the salary, o diba? So thank you very much. And to all housemaid also, you must be work good, do especially to our responsibilities as a housemaid in the house. Okay, so once again, thank you very much, not only to the housemaid, to all workers, people in this world, in the different countries, diba? Because we are still living in this earth. Okay, thank you again, and God bless us all. Take care to my all families, to my niece, to my apo, my mga tuhod, angkan to angkan, my brother, my in-laws, sister-in-laws, my relatives, mga kababata, buong angkan sa isla, Salvador din nagatelang